Hello, guys. Welcome back. Today is day 22, our Learning English Challenge journey, speaking in front of the camera. So, I'm really so excited to achieve day 22, and hopefully, we practicing almost 21 day English in front of the camera every day, learn new words, learn IELTS questions, answer new sentences, and I already see the result the way speaking, my grammar, everything like the way I speak and really I like that way. So today we're gonna practice our English the same way, practice, speak, and we prepare some questions. I'm gonna answer them and ask you leave one question for you guys. By the end of the video, answer that question at the comment. Please watch the video until the end. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us. Let's get started English. So the first question where he asked question is do you like sunny weather or rainy weather? This sunny weather or rainy weather, that both are perfect for me. If the weather is not so sunny like a hot sunny, I don't like. If the weather is a hot sunny day, I don't like. But if kind of sunny, but you see the sun, but it's kind of cold, not so cold but warm. I like that weather, kind of weather. Also, if the rain not so much, like the rain has, tender, yeah. When the rain is that tender, I don't like that. If the rain has a tender, so much tender, it's a bit scary. Or if the rain is a lot, it's a lot of noisy. So I don't like that one. But if the rain's a bit quiet, rainy, a bit not so much, like but I like that way. When I play games, sometimes you got sit at chair, play games, make a cup of tea and watch how it that rainy. I love kind of that rainy, but the rain is tender, like that. I don't like that. Was a bit scary. Even when I was a little, when I hear the thunder, I was put my myself at the under the bed. I was so scary that thunder right now when I grow up sometimes like I suddenly hear thunder and I said boom like I get I don't like that kind of rainy way so much. But I like a small rainy, not so much, not like kind of have no thunder, cold and yeah, I love that one. Making cup of tea and chilling, that rain is kind of really exciting. So let's move on to the question. The next question right here is do you like walking outside? Do you like walking outside? Do I like walking outside? Like when walking outside, walking and working is different, guys. Like I really make a mistake. Those two words, working and walking, it's a bit similar. So when you want to say working, like you need to winging. You when you say it's a bit wing, your the way you're speaking. But when you say walking, it's kind of like when you're walking, so like that working. But working is when you're doing something like a job kind of stuff. So the question is, do you like walking outside? So for me, yes, not so much, but I really every day or some uh uh twice a week, three or maybe three per week. I go out for work 1 hour or maybe 30 minutes, kind of good for healthy your body and your brain also, refreshing your brain, your body, everything. So I would love to go for work, but sometimes myself say my body, body and the brain is different. Like always you're thinking, I need to improve myself, I need to do that. But the body not let you go saying, I'm so exhausted, bro. I cannot walk. I just want to watch a movie. I don't want to go out. Just live there. Just body, but your body saying that, but your brain always thinking, you need to do that. You need to work. You need to line on bad is everything is stronger than brain. So always try to go for work, but some I feel like laziness kind of stuff. But I like really so much. So let's move at the second third question. The third question is, what do you actually do when it's rainy? Oh, when it's rainy again. Uh yeah, I do so many things like Sometimes like when I see rainy, I really love drinking tea. A rainy day, it's kind of warm when you're drinking with the rain. It's kind of excited, and also like sometimes I spend my time like watching the rainy, and also like or play game close to the window and just hearing that rainy, the quiet noise of the rainy. So yeah, that's what I do. Sometimes like I don't like to go out when it's rainy, but just inside the farm and watching that rainy, they just listening how that rainy is, and yeah, of course, it's kind of exciting thing. Yeah, you should when you watch your rainy, your eyes, your brain is also whole refreshing. You feel so exciting, and yeah, of course, so perfect. Let's move another question. The next question is: do you think exercise is important? Do you think exercise is important? Of course, it is important. Exercise is important. Adults, teenagers, and all the people as well. So yeah, sometimes I do exercise. I just like this. This I cannot say that's exercise, but just trying to make exercise and stretching my body to feel good. And yeah, I really like that way fix so fitness a bit. But like I never go to gym. I not do anything push up with that kind of exercise. I'm not do so much, but I like making exercise and go for work. Working outside is also exercise. It's very very important to exercise really. Also when you're at home, if you do something a little bit that's kind of exercise. But for me, I never do quite often exercises, but I hopefully I will start and will keep doing that until we become fluent. Maybe I'm just lying. I don't think I can make everyday exercise, but I would love to just try in my best, and I would love to make exercise. And it's very important if you are adult or all the person watching this video. Exercise is good for you and your brain, your body, your system, your health. Everything is kind of good for exercise. So yeah, the last question, guys, it is good for you, not me. Is how often do you exercise? This question is for you guys. I'm not gonna answer. I just leave there and yeah, answer at the comment to this question and tell us your English level at the uh, on the comment. So how often do you exercise? Please guys, today is that video. Wait 1 of 10 how we practice our English way here, and hit the like button, subscribe to channel, join us. I need your real guys support. I wanna learn English, teach you as well the way I'm learning, and also I need your support to subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a beautiful comment and watch my video every day. Thank you very much. Have a good one and see you next video, day 23. Bye. Watch the other video.